everyone, in this tutorial video I will be demonstrating how I made this shimmery watercolor effect using acrylic paints. First I will apply base coat. Make sure to cap the edge. Now I'm going to apply my first layer of white gel color. Apply your second layer. Apply top coat. After curing, make sure to wipe off the tacky residue layer. Using a buffer, buff the nail lightly. Next, get 4 acrylic colors of your choice. Get some water to dilute the paints. Using a dropper, drop a few drops of water using a spatula. Mix the water and paint. Use a paper towel or cotton wipe to clean your brush and to soak up excess paint off your brush. Have some water handy. You will need it to clean your brush when moving on to the next color. Apply your first color. Don't worry about having a perfect shape. Clean your brush, wait a few seconds, then use your brush to absorb the excess paint, leaving a ring of color. Once all colors have been painted, wait about 2 minutes before sealing it with clear builder gel. Apply clear builder gel, but do not cure. Apply small pieces of mylar. Make sure to apply flat pieces onto the wet gel. Seal the mylar with more clear builder gel. If there are any mylar pieces sticking out, or if there is any unevenness, you can smooth it out by using a buffer. Make sure to touch the nail to check if it's smooth enough. Once you get the desired smoothness, make sure to wipe off any dust. Top the nail off with matte top coat for a bristle paper texture. Wipe off the tacky layer. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you decide to recreate this look, make sure to tag me in your pictures. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay up to date with the latest videos. Also, follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Thank you guys for watching.